Hello everyone, let's learn how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. If you're eager to access a broader variety of TikTok content, or if you believe restricted mode is enabled by mistake, this video is for you. Our expert host will guide you through the process, ensuring you can enjoy TikTok without any limitations. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device. You can see on top of screen is written restricted mode. That means restricted mode is enabled. So to disable it, go on your profile by tapping on little icon in bottom right corner of the screen. After that, go on 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Then click on last option, settings and privacy. Now scroll a little down to find content preferences, and when you find, go on it. Next, tap on second option, restricted mode, and then click on this red button where is written turn off, and next you need to enter a password you set when you enable restricted mode, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.